Nationalians, are you aware of what is happening around you or too numb to care for your environment?
Planting trees, which will filter the air and clean the air that we breathe. It can also add beauty to our environment.
Protecting our Mother Earth is very important because this is where we live in. We want to have a comfortable place to live in, fresh air to breathe, etc. But how can we protect it if there are still some people who keep on destroying it?
Throwing garbage anywhere can pollute our environment, which can cause floods and can harm us. Air pollution, which is caused by the factories, burning of plastics and others.
Why are you so blind and too numb to not see the effects of your bad actions? Be the protector of our environment.
Let's save our Mother Earth by continuing doing good actions towards our environment. Let us be the protector of our environment.